Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Inside, my ego is satisfied. I used to actually be like, "Arey yaar, aaj Malka recording what we are going through or our personal lives and stuff like that." The bell, work from home.
जरा ठहरो जरा बैठो करनी है बातें पास आओ और थोड़ा सर्द है रातें
So firstly, Arman and Amal, welcome to IndianExpress.com.
Hi, how are you?
I am good. You guys tell me your new song is out. Everyone is talking about it. How does that feel?
It feels amazing. With every release, I think we learn something new. I think Zara Thero was a much needed song, especially for what the atmosphere is right now in the world. It's a very calming, very soothing track.
There is no formula to it. And obviously one thing how Arman said that I always follow. That is something which I like to maintain in every song. That it is a song that has to be simple, hummable and obviously have lyrics which relate to every generation. It is very a conversational kind of lyric. You know, it's what people talk daily to each other. If I tell him ki zara thero baitho baatein karte hain. So it's that kind of song.
And tell me, how was the experience of shooting it during... It's like exactly what you say, work from home for you guys. This time it was. How was that experience of shooting for it at home, at your comfort of your home, not a studio otherwise?
I think it was not comfortable to shoot it from home because I think there are so many things we're so used to when we're shooting for a song. We're used to such a big set, a lot of people on the set, like the crew, and here I was doing my own makeup and hair and styling, and Dad was setting up the shot along with my neighbor Gobind, who's the DOP for the video. With my dad also, when we failed with all those ideas inside of our home, he told me, I think the song is asking for us to keep it simple.
Right.
Just like the way the song is simple, let's keep the video also simple. Let's not do so much of brainstorming. I think we locked in on Mehreen, and she was sport enough to kind of do this from her home and shoot it so beautifully. That is,
I think she fits very well for the song. After seeing the video, I feel she is delicately balanced and handled those lyrics and those emotions very well. I think both of them have done an amazing job.
And tell me, how was the experience of getting directed by your dad? I mean, of course, from childhood he must have been directed you on several other things, but how was it working with Dabu sir?
So I'll tell you one thing with my dad. My dad is very free flowing. If he feels like an idea fits here, he'll just shoot it wherever he is. He doesn't care, the light is perfect or whatever it is. He wants to shoot and get as much footage as possible. Whenever he shows the side of him, I'm learning new things about my dad.
But tell me, there's this successful jodi, this Malik brothers that have become. I mean, what do you have to say about working together, making such successful songs? I mean, how does that feel, creating it together for you both?
I think with Amal and me, we never thought of us as a duo. You know how Vishal Shekhar are or Salim Suleiman are. But we do jam together, and I think that's a beautiful chemistry to have. I missed working with Amal. We have not done a song in a very long time, actually.
I think Arman voices my songs like he gives it his all. He gives 300%. We fight a lot, but we get the best out of each other.
Of course, all good things you guys are saying about each other. Tell us some dirty secrets about these brothers. I mean, how much do you guys fight while working?
So, we've released quite a few making of videos of our songs, but those are fake making of videos. Those are censored and non-explicit. The actual ones are full of like pitai and galis and everything. So he's thrown books at me. We've pulled each other's hair. I have exited the studio and said, I'm never going to sing a song for you ever in my life.
Then I went and locked the main door of that studio.
Actually, now we're just trying to see each other a little more because I think because of the lockdown, we're interacting much more with each other.
And you guys have also created this fabulous balance of Bollywood songs and independent music. I mean, was it a conscious decision from your part?
It was always. It was always, recently you've been seeing a lot of non-film songs coming out from other artists as well. But I think me and Amal kind of started the trend way back when we were doing our Sab Tera and our Main Hu Hero Teras, and all those songs were coming out. But parallelly, we were putting out songs like Main Rahu Ya Na Rahu. I did my debut album, which was completely produced by Amal. And Amal never even thought that he'd become a composer for Bollywood. I never thought I'd become a playback singer. We always had this dream of doing songs together, releasing it as singles or albums. Being part of Bollywood, we've never considered ourselves as just Bollywood musicians. We've considered ourselves as Indian musicians and just musicians who are putting out sound that not only people in India but also globally will really like.
And before we go, we want you guys to tell 3 things about each other that you love, hate, and tolerate.
Love, hate, and tolerate. Okay. I love Amal for his honesty. Actually, I can tolerate Amal's laziness, but I hate him for always using my stuff.
Okay.
He has. I always make sure when I buy something amazing looking, I buy one in medium and one large, so that he has his own and I have mine. How hard is it to see a tag and recognize that this is mine or this is up? One thing I can tolerate is his laziness, but that's fine. He ultimately his motto comes true: late aato par great aato.
Oh, that's a great motto. Yes, Amal, your turn now.
I love Arman for, being real. He's very real. He's not honest, real, and he's good at heart. And at his age, getting the adulation and love of billions, he could have, just been egoistic and a different person. Tolerate his really bad jokes. And they're really bad. Like, I want to leave the house, they're that bad. And I hate that he's mama's boy. Like, he can beat me to that. Like, he will convince mom that I'm the villain. That I hate.
Amazing. So before we go, you guys have to sing the song, of course, for the audience, because
Surely.
they would love to hear a couple of lines.
जरा ठहरो जरा बैठो करनी है बातें पास आओ और थोड़ा सर्द है रातें आसान होता तो मैं कब का कह चुका होता ऐसे तुम्हारे सामने खामोश ना रहता जरा ठहरो जरा बैठो करनी है बातें पास आओ और थोड़ा सर्द है रातें जरा ठहरो जरा बैठो करनी है बातें तुमको पाना चाहती है मेरी बरसातें
Amazing. I feel so privileged to see you guys perform live right now.
Thank you, so sweet.
Chalo, I hope there's a lot more coming from the Malik brothers and from the Malik household. Thank you so much for speaking to us, and really hope that this song goes on to trend for a long time.